Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Study Maths with Asif. So friends, in this video I will discuss the concept of tangent and normal to a point on the given curve. Therefore, watch this video till the end to learn about the tangent and normal. So before starting this video, you are requested to press the like button given below and share this video with your friends. Also, if you are visiting this channel first time, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for receiving the instant notification of the new videos. So let's see. I have drawn here several diagrams or figures to make you better understand how do we get the tangent from the straight line. So assume the line which you see in violet color is the straight line which cuts the curve at 2 points P and Q. So P is bearing the coordinate a comma B and Q, right, it is also bearing the coordinate a plus h and b plus k. So this is a straight line which cuts the curve at 2 points. So this straight line becomes tangent when this point Q tends to P. When it will tends to P, then this a plus h goes to A and b plus k goes to B. You see, first coordinate becomes A and second coordinate tends towards B, right? So when it starting moving towards P, so it looks like this. It will move in this way. So finally, right, you see this line which becomes the tangent because it touches the curve at exactly 1 point. Now look at this diagram, then you will learn it better. See this. So when Q tends to P, right, then we obtain the tangent from the given line, right? Now you see this is the tangent actually. Hope you understand its graphical representation of the tangent. Now let's talk about its equation. How do we get its equation? So now this is the another page, please have a look. So what I assumed on my previous page, I took 2 points P and Q on the curve, right? Then apply the equation of the line passing through 2 points P and Q. So you see this is the equation of a line which passes through the points P and Q, pass through the 2 points, right? So you follow it, then you see B is nothing but the image of A and B plus K is also the image of A plus H. You see the diagram, then you will learn it, this thing, right? Now this line, still it is a straight line passing through the 2 points. This line becomes tangent when this H, right, tends to 0, means Q goes to P or Q becomes close to P, right, when H goes to 0 and K goes to 0. Now take the limit, H goes to 0 of this. So when you take the limit of the above equation, then you see this become the differential coefficient of, in other words, we call this as slope at P. And this becomes the equation of tangent at the point P. So how to remember it, right? So this is the point P bearing the coordinate a comma b. So this is y minus b and this is the slope and x minus a. In this way you remember the equation of the tangent. So hope you understand this. If you don't follow, please take the screenshot and repeat this video 2 or 3 times, then you will learn, right, about the tangent. Now let's talk about the normal. Normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to the tangent. So you see the diagram, this is normal which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point P, right? Now next, how to calculate the equation of normal here. So see, simple, we need to find the slope for the normal. Since it is perpendicular to the tangent, So to find the slope is not difficult. We use the formula m into m dash, this equals to -1. If I assume m as the slope of the normal, m dash is the slope of the tangent, which we have seen it just before. Put this value, we can find the slope for the normal. You see this here at the point P. So we can calculate it after taking the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent at P. So when you follow the steps, this will become the equation of the normal at P. I hope you understand the concept of the normal here. If you don't follow, repeat this video 2 or 3 times